Hello everyone, this is Matinik, and today I have the Rebluum PTZ Solar powered wireless security camera. Disclaimer, this was provided to me by Rebluum to make unboxing and setup video. Also, I will give my quick review at the end of this video, so let's go ahead and let's get started. It includes the 24-hour warning sticker, user's guide, the solar panel, the camera itself, and we have here the mounting template, and we have the mount for the solar panel and the camera. We have the mounting screws and the USB-C charging cable. Here's the USB-C port where you connect the solar panel or onto the charger. And here's the memory card slot and the power and reset button. Memory card is not included, so I have one spare here that I got from Temu. So I'll put the link down in the description below if you are interested. First, you download the Cloud Edge app and sign up for account. Add the camera, and first thing you do is turn on the camera and then press the reset button to start. And follow the connection steps through the app. Once the camera is successfully added, then you have to go through the installation guide screens. Now the camera is successfully configured. The Rebluum PTZ Solar powered wireless camera is well constructed. Housing is made of solid plastic. It is IP66 rating and weatherproof. Since it is a solar powered wireless camera, the installation and setup is easy. It has a built-in battery and solar panel for charging, so basically install, set up, and forget. It uses xCloud app that is available for both iOS and Android devices. The camera supports up to 128 micro SD memory card for local storage, not included. It comes with a free 7-day cloud storage recording. With this camera, there's no blind spot. You can able to pan the camera at 360 degrees and tilt at 90 degrees. It also has a built-in two-way audio that allows you to talk back. It has siren alert that is loud and can deter possible intruders. Image quality is great, as you may see on my sample video footage. The video is clear, and with its built-in infrared and two bright white LEDs, help to see better at night. The camera supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for smart home integration. The camera works only with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and unfortunately there's no smart tracking features. Overall, this is a great budget security camera for the price. And for the peace of mind, you can able to remotely view your property. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please share, like, and should you have questions or comment, please leave me a message down on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next one. Take care everyone. Matinik signing off.